Hi everyone, today we are going to see how we can change values of objects that are located in other processes. So for example, let's say that I have this game, and that game has a player which has health of value 10. So the thing is that health is stored somewhere, and it is stored in this global object called health here. So we can see it's 10, that's why we have specified 10 here as well. And the location of that health variable in memory is this one, right? So it's easy in this case because we have outputted the memory location of this health object in a label. But if you don't know it, and usually you don't, you can use applications such as Cheat Engine. So for example, if I open this sum game application and I specify here 10, I scan this, so there are like many values that correspond to that. There are many addresses that have that value, and I'll change, for example, to 35, and next scan, and now I can see only 3 addresses that correspond with that value. And let's try the first one. So if I change this value from 35 to 70, okay, and I click check health, I can see that Cheat Engine stored the value 70 on this memory address. Okay, so as you can see, this is the way you can use Cheat Engine to find those addresses. But it's not always so simple. For example, it's simple in this case because this is a global object. If that was a dynamically allocated object, his address would probably change each time. Then you would need to locate pointer's address and so on and so on. So like I said, this is a very simple case just to demonstrate how to write in some other process. Okay, so let's say that we have found the address and we want some other application to write to that location, right? The same thing as Cheat Engine has done in this case. Anyways, Cheat Engine is an application that was developed in Delphi. Okay, so I'll just close this and I'll open this second application that's called Write to Process. And what I want that application to do is to hook up to this application, to hook up to this game, and then to write some other value, in this case value 100, to this address. So when I click this button here, what it will do, it will try to find that application or our game by using find window function that will return a handle to that window, and by using that handle we will get a process that has that window, right? And once we have that process, we use the function write process memory, where we say which process, and that is the process that has this window with the title sum game. And where do we want to write it? Well, in this case we want to write it to 0089 089 F220. Okay, so what do I want to write? I want to write health value, and new health value is 100. So let's run this application, and now I can see that my current check health value is 70. And if I click set health to 100 and again check health, I now have 100. So the same thing that Cheat Engine has done. And like I said, this is not the most complicated example, but I believe it's a good starting point if you are trying to, for example, create your own game trainer or something like that. And of course, there are also many other tools for these purposes. You can try them yourself, but like I said, you simply now know how to, for example, write something into other processes using the write process memory function. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next week.